Oh, forgot. My hood latch isn't even hooked up anymore. As you see, the car is on jack stands. There's no wheels on it. If you guys remember the video where I did the ceramic coating on my car, that guy, his name is Jeremy Grant. He is on his way here right now, and we're gonna get all 4 wheels ceramic coated. Boy, you ugly. What's up? He's here. What's going on?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Oh, pretty good. So I imagine the process for wheels is pretty similar to the paint. Clean it up real good. And
minus the correction.
Yeah. Yeah, this whole process intrigues me. It's really cool. They are looking seriously amazing. The gloss is so unreal. That coating just pulled such a shine out of these wheels that it's honestly amazing. Even the matte faces that are on these wheels look great now. I don't think I've ever seen wheels so clean before. So how long does it take again to cure?
About 4 hours.
Okay, cool.
You know.
4 hours is pretty quick. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
This is the last one, huh?
That's it.
Well, we just got done coating the wheels. And again, for those that are wondering, so you don't have to comment, this is the guy's business card, so you can give him a call. Check him out. He does amazing work, honestly. I'm, again, a perfectionist, so I don't take my cars just anywhere. If you can see, this car has not been washed in like, I don't even know, 2 weeks now, 3 weeks, because I've been doing a lot of work on it, and it still just looks absolutely gorgeous. But now that the wheel coating is done, we're gonna hop in his truck right here, and we're gonna go run to O'Reilly's real quick. If you saw the video about me doing coverall on the tires, about shining tires and everything, that company, which is Superior Products, actually sent me a big care package to my local O'Reilly's. So it was actually really cool though, because that company said that after me posting that video, since it blew up and everything, their internet sales have reached higher peaks than they ever have in the history of the company. So I'm really happy that I could do that for them, and I can't wait to see what they're sending me. I feel like this is almost like a joke. I'm expecting them to be like, I don't even know what you're talking about. Somebody random just be joking around with me. But I guess it wasn't a prank then.
It wasn't.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, check it out, guys. This is real. Actually, Superior Products sent me this entire box. This is huge. I can't imagine what's all in here. Okay, let's check it out, see what's inside. Whoa, there's a lot more than what I expected. Dang. Thank you, Jolene Doctor. That is really, really nice. Dang, they sent me... It looks like they sent me something of everything. This is basically just a sheet to explain what each thing is and how it works, it looks like. There's a bunch of applicator pads. Look how many spray bottles. California coverall. This is different. This is tire and interior dressing. Dang, there's so much stuff in here. This is a bunch of the handles for the actual spray bottles. Sweet, they have so much stuff. This is a ton of stuff. I am very, very grateful for Superior sending this to me. Again, guys, make sure you go check out Superior Products. This is crazy. This is the first detail company that I've ever had send me just a big, giant care package of stuff. This is awesome. Huge, huge thanks to those guys. I am really excited to get started on trying these out. This looks awesome. I'm gonna have to get a crate so I can start storing a bunch of cleaning supplies in. I mean, this is just crazy. There's stuff everywhere. Cannot wait to have this car back together so I can get all this out of my living room. I just saw the UPS truck pull up. I just busted my ass. You have a few?
2 so far.
Hell yeah. These. Come on then.
Here you go.
Sweet. Thank you, man.
Have a good one.
Appreciate it. You too. You guys don't know why I'm excited. Yes! Yes! This is about to make my car so much faster, and it's this tiny little box. Yes! Check it out. Now, a lot of you guys still probably don't know what this is if you're not into superchargers or anything like that, but this is a much smaller pulley for my supercharger. And basically, if you're into physics or anything like that, or engineering, so currently there is an 85 millimeter pulley, which is a little bit bigger than this one, and this is a 79 millimeter pulley. And basically, whenever you bring the pulley down in size, it's gonna put out a lot more boost. I believe this is actually like 4 or 5, something like that, I don't even know, pounds more boost. Whew. So anyways, this is gonna be really, really cool. And the other thing that I was wanting to tell you guys about is this. I actually picked this up yesterday. Check it out. This is a Mishimoto coolant expansion tank, and basically this is gonna replace my stock one that is really white, gaudy, and extremely ugly with this really, really nice powder coated black expansion tank. So it's gonna be really, really cool. Got some lines here. We even got the little nice little penguin. That's the air freshener that they always send with their stuff. And some more fittings. And we got the pulley here. So let's go ahead and hop to getting all of this installed. This is gonna be so sick. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started removing this stock tank that goes right here. I'm excited to get rid of this disgustingly ugly one and replace it with that nice powder coated black Mishimoto tank. Okay, so I got the actual tank disconnected now, so I can go ahead and pull this up. And so first I'm gonna go ahead and need to disconnect these hoses up here. Okay, so both of these are ready to be pulled off. So I can go ahead and slide that out, hold this out of the way so it doesn't leak. And same thing with this one. Okay, perfect. Nope, 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 nope. That's exactly what I did not want to happen. These have to stay facing straight up or else they'll start to leak, as you just now saw. There we go, that's a good spot for it. Okay, now here comes the really, really messy part. I'm gonna set this little tub right here so I can hopefully catch the majority of it. This is about to be really super messy and it's gonna suck really bad. Here we go. Now I'm gonna pull off this lower coolant line and probably gonna spill stuff everywhere. Hopefully gonna try and use this tub to minimize it though. Okay, that wasn't too bad. New coolant tank. And shove the hose onto there. Okay, that actually wasn't that bad at all. I don't think I spilled near as much as what I thought I was going to. That's nice. Tensioner pulley on these cars is a 17 millimeter. So basically what I'm going to be doing now is, since I got this tank already out of the way, I'm just going to go ahead and get to this tensioner pulley down here and push down on it. And basically what that's going to do is it's going to take the tension off of the belt. That way I can slip it off of the supercharger pulley up here and then replace it with this smaller pulley. Luckily the same belt size can be used, which is really handy. So I'm going to slip the 17 onto the tensioner pulley right here. And you'll notice as I push on this tension on this belt is completely taken off now. So I can slip it off real fast. Just hold this belt up, not hard, just to keep it up. You came back literally just in time. Because I was trying to think to myself, I was like, how am I about to hold this belt and take this off at the same time? All right, so here is the 85, and you can noticeably see how much smaller this 79 is. This thing is gonna get this car moving so much quicker, and I'm so excited to get it on. Let's slide this baby back in place, line up the bolt holes, and get started on installing the 6 bolts back into it.
You better not kill yourself in this car.
Yeah, I know, that's what I was telling Daniel and them about last night. I was like, this is gonna be seriously like scary.
Yeah, you better respect the shit out of this thing.
Yeah. One last bolt and we will be good to put the belt back on. This was a lot easier than I thought it was.
Like, does it have to be at the bottom or?
Okay. Oh my gosh, that is so much smaller. Looks to be a successful install. I'm checking the belt right now to make sure it's all still routed correctly, which it appears that it is. So that is good to go. So now that that's out of the way, we can pull this off the tensioner and move that, and then we can get started on installing this coolant expansion tank. I needed to use the same cap. For now though, I need these bolts so I can reinstall them back in here to hold this tank on. It is so hot, by the way. It is like probably 89, 90 degrees right now, and I'm sitting in the baking sun to do all this. Okay, so now the initial first 2 lines are good to be put back on. So I got the hose fitting on there now, and I'm just sticking on this hose clamp so I can get the hose tightened down so there's no leaks or anything. All right, so now I have all the lines hooked up. I just have this one extra, which is, I believe, an overflow line. So we're gonna hook that up real quick. Okay, so now I have this little overflow line ran out of the way. So last thing left is to fill up this reservoir. So I've got some pre-mixed coolant here that I'm going to be sticking in it. You got to be pretty good to not use a funnel doing this. I have mastered the trade. Reservoir is full, cap is good to get put back on. Let me grab a rag real quick and clean up the engine bay, and then I will give you guys a look at what we've been doing. Okay, so to give you guys a look at basically what's been going on under here, we just swapped out this pulley right here. The car comes stock with an 85 millimeter pulley, so we actually swapped out the 79 millimeter pulley, which jumps up quite a bit of boost. Also, along with doing that, we just now installed this Mishimoto coolant expansion tank here, and it looks absolutely great. This thing is hideous, and I'm so glad that it is out of the car now, because that is awful. This tank looks absolutely great compared to that one, so huge thanks to Mishimoto on that. The car is finally coming together, and this thing is going to be a monster before too long. We are slowly but surely getting there. Last night I actually got started on doing some stuff off camera. So I wired up my resistors here for my diode dynamic switchbacks that I have on the car. And I also wired up the RGB kit from Diode Dynamics as well, so that I can have the color changing DRLs on the car, and I got the harness installed for that. Obviously, as we were talking about earlier, I took the wheels off so that I could get ceramic coated earlier in this video. Ceramic coating looks amazing on the wheels. The paint has been absolutely perfect since I got it ceramic coated, so I was really eager to get the wheels ceramic coated. Also, inside, I went ahead and under the rear seat, you're not gonna be able to see it now because I have it all put back together, but I installed a VMP Performance Booster Pump. And basically what that does is it's like an amplifier for the fuel pump. And it basically just allows for the fuel pump to shove out a lot more fuel to keep up with the extensive power performance mods that are done to this car. Everything under the hood is completely buttoned up and finished now. All that I'm waiting on now is my tune from Lund to come in the mail so that I can actually get a bass tune on this car and get ready to start driving it. It's going to be really, really exciting, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. It's going to be wicked. So the last thing that we have to do for today's video is put the wheels back on the car. It's been about 4 hours, which is the cure time for that SB3 coating on the wheels, so they should be good to be handled now. Okay guys, so I just got the wheels put back on the car. They look amazing after that ceramic coating. I'm super satisfied with them. That is going to be awesome once they get done and the whole car is done and I can go take it to the car wash. Today was really, really eventful. I got a lot of stuff taken care of on the car. Really happy with that Mishimoto expansion tank. Really, really happy with that pulley from VMP. So once again, all that I'm waiting on this car is the tune from Lund to come in. This thing is going to be a beast with that extra boost. Make sure you guys stick around for that. As for right now though, I got a lot of stuff, as you see, to clean up around here. So that's going to be it for today's video. Take a second, comment down below, let me know what numbers you guys think this car is going to make now that I have the smaller pulley put on, the Lund tune. I'm going to have the Corsa headers and the Corsa full exhaust, obviously the Roush intake, the booster pump as well, so we're going to be able to get some high fuel output out of this car. I'm really expecting some crazy numbers from this thing, so I am super excited. I believe the bumper is coming in very soon to get painted, so it's going to be great once I get that all taken care of. Make sure you guys stick around for that. It's going to be a complete transformation for this car. But anyways guys, until next video.